Instagram Music isn't available in your region. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to fix Instagram Music if it is not available in your region. So let's get started. The first thing you guys need to do is just swipe right, then make a video. After making a random video, what you guys need to do is just click on that sticker from the right third part, and here you can see that there is an option of music, but in your case this option is not available. The music option just allows us to add music to our video, our favorite music or whatever song we need to add to a story or that video. So if this music icon or the option is not showing on your Instagram, what you guys need to do is just go to your Play Store, download any random VPN, like my top VPN is this. Just install it. What VPN do is just simply connect to the another server like to the United States, and it will just allow to change your region. When your region is changed, the Instagram music will automatically available in your story option. I hope this video helped you out, and if you have any question regarding this whole process, please let me know in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.